What's up, guys? Let's get here with a new video. I can't do the little side thing of you right now because it's kind of a little messed up. I'm making some new adjustments, but welcome to one of the 2 or 3 new series I'm gonna start on channel. Slime Rancher, of course. Make sure you do hit that smash like. And comment below if you guys want me to continue on the series. If this video gets 50 likes, I'll continue this series full out. But if it don't get 50 likes, I won't do nothing. Manage DLC. What's that? Hold up. Let me think here. Okay. Alright. I'll probably do those 2 later. I probably had Toast to back off. He's a no skin, he's my cousin, but he's a noob and he's trash at 4. And if you guys do like this video, let me know. I kinda got a rage to it. My god. This video, I'm just basically going over the game and I'm doing a little bit of stuff. God, look at this lag. Dude. My icon's gonna be the golden, because that's the best you can get in a picture. What? Live the life of a slime rancher and explore the wonders of the far range at your own pace. Casual. A relaxed take on adventure mode without any threat of tar slimes. Now, tar slimes is like the bad guys on here. Or rush. Race against the clock to earn as many new bucks as possible. Right. I'd like to do adventure, like with everything at my own pace, or I could do casual. But basically, it's all the tar slimes is they're slimes that it's basically black and magical. Sorry about that, guys. I really ain't gonna vlog to make like that, but I'm just saying I'm gonna vlog to don't quit, but I really ain't. If he does keep on inviting me like 3 or 4 more times, I will go off camera and have a little speak to him. Anyway, I want to do it casual because I don't want to have no possible things to ruin the series. But you still can die without tar slimes. But if you guys want me to do another series, if you guys want me to do adventure, I'll go off camera. Let me know in the comments and I'll go off camera, make all the progress we may back up and do that. The gold slime, as you just seen, is the best slime. You have to have food or plorts, I forgot, because I used to play this game a little bit. The only reason why I quit grinding on it is because my file got deleted. But anyway, 1,000 light years away from Earth, on the planet known as the far range, Beatrix LeBrew, I can't say it, begins her first day as a slime rancher. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the quick little tutorial. It's a great game. Y actually uses the light. That's a new feature. And you'll see how these come on later. To top, I know, like that. There. Happy. I wish I'd go away. Alright. So, oh my god. Oh my god, is it really want me to go find the port now? Here. I hate the tutorial. I mean, somebody else should be able to disable it. There. See what it pops up next. Now go away. Go away. Yep, drum in there. Wow. I might get an argument here in a second. Might cut it out. Give me a carrot, please. Okay. Alright. Will you go away, please? Alright. Alright. That's the basics. Alright. So basically, you just find slimes. Water actually kills everything, including you. You actually just fall off. Really don't want to do that, but good graphics on the water. The moon, the sun is actually not, it's just a normal sun, but the moon's actually a thing. Here's all the slimes. They go up and down depending on how rare they are and stuff. I have no idea what this is. Oh, never mind. So basically, you can grow your own garden and stuff. All these stuff matters later. Make your own chicken coop and stuff. You need something called slime coins is what I call them. To purchase different areas of land. This is got something to do later on. You also get star mail, as you should see. I'm going to show you in a second. As you see, I can't access these areas just yet. I need to have slime coins. Now, I am trying to look up some glitches to get slime coins because they do become rare. Or it's hard to get sometimes, especially starting off. But here's the little stuff. I think you do. Back here, I don't think you have it. No, you don't. You don't get a little part over here. That's water down there. I just a little stupid. But this is actually going to cost the most at 10 grand. There's actually upgradables. Every time you purchase a little land, you get if things. You do got energy down here. Is where you get upgrades. Of course, these ain't the only 5 upgrades you get more as the game progresses. You just walk in your house. You got manage DLC, which I know is new. Return to ranch, sleep till morning, the star mail. Now let's get to this first one. Welcome to the Farfar Ranch, Mrs. Blood. The corporation would like you to welcome to the Farfar Ranch. Exempted to our support in your bold new venture as a slime rancher. And guys, if you don't want to hear me read this, just skip ahead. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the ranch. Until you get more familiar with your surroundings, traveling at night is not as visible. Lastly, that's like saying that you can fall in the water. Lastly, should you acquire the additional tools for your backpack or items that make your slime ranching experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. The Z Corporation providing the tools that you need to get the job done for us a small fee. Casey, hi Bia, which is Beatrix. What is like to sleep for a whole year? What is it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you drink? I can't imagine what it's like. Z puts you in a pod and lights out for that all that time. Wow. What's the Farfar Ranch like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably going to ask too many questions. I bet you don't. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep it short. Good luck, Beatrice. If anyone can make it out there, it's you, Casey. That is actually my character, plays Beatrice. It's actually offline right now. And also there's little upgrades. hold up. As I done showed you all these, you can also get different stuff. Like, once you get so many, I need higher walls, I need an air net, it's like a barrier while they can't jump out, a solar shear for the slimes that come out at night, a port collector, auto figure. I was too big to break it, and I'm pretty sure you can break it for free. Or it's 100, so I mean, it's a good game, but I'm not gonna end it there. Today's video on here ain't gonna be that big. I'm just exploring a little bit as I unlock the dry reef. I'm collecting like 2 or 3 slimes, a few slimes. They actually spawn out here, so I'm actually gonna get all this food, get pro-growth food. Now, different slimes use different, like, as a quick pause, Slimepedia. Slimes, as you see, these can only eat nuts, fruit, veggies, meat. They can eat anything. But as you go on, there's some that you really can't eat everything. Now, I'm going to go ahead and collect these, get the chickadooders, let them grow up. Now, down here is called a pro-grow slime down there. You give them, you feed it, and it basically, it takes a lot of food to eat it, as you see it down there. And they give you like slime keys and a bunch of different stuff. That's another slime. Those cat slimes. I will be collecting all slimes. Let me activate the map here. Ooh, I never noticed that map. Over. But anyways, data map acquired. This is what happens when you mix 2 slimes together, like the red normal slimes and the rocky slimes. As you see, I can take damage, but see, like, those slimes won't come over here and intervene. Sometimes they will. I know it should say that they wouldn't, but unless, like, they have, like, a new attacks on here, like, unless there's, like, 60 of them, if there's 60 of them or up, they will attack a new area, like over here, and take over, then they'd conquer all that. And then let me get this help. Anyways, I ain't gonna read those. Oh god. But quick thing there, you can add me right there. XX Swagbo or XX4. Anyways, I'm basically just gonna slung these slimes in here. Just 2. And plus, you don't want the too many slimes at the beginning, like this, because they'll eat your food up. Like, if you have a garden, they'll eat them up. That's why you also got to keep this little area protected. But anyway, oh, here's a chicken. Take him. Next video, we're gonna be doing a lot more, like, going out a lot more, exploring. I'm gonna cover a little bit more stuff. I'm gonna be upgrading some things. I'll probably get the high walls and then put some things in here, then feed them. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like. On this video, I just wanted to make 2 videos today for the new series. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.